Hey everybody, it's Paul, 125 Roller Coaster Challenge, and we are finally here on the Serengeti Express here at Busch Gardens, Tampa. So we're loading here on the Stanleyville station, right under SheiKra. So we're getting ready to take off. They're ringing the bell. That means it's time to go. So let's go explore the Serengeti.
Get ready to speed out here like a herd of turtles. So hold on tight. Now as we depart the station, look to your left. Let's all get our hands up in the air and start waving goodbye. Get them up there, wave, wave, wave. Everybody say bye, Joe. Alrighty. When you're coming back here to Stanleyville, you'll be back here in about 35 to 40 minutes. But our next station stop is Nairobi.
And there's Iron Quasi in the background.
Now the red and blue coaster, we're currently going underneath the SheiKra, the first dive coaster that ever been built in the United States. It'll actually take you up in the air 200 feet, then pause so you can look straight down the first drop. Then you're going to fall without warning, reach speeds of up to 70 miles per hour. And on the right-hand side of the train is Iron Quasi, the tallest, fastest, and steepest hybrid coaster ever to be built. It has a first drop of 206 feet in the air at a 91-degree angle, reaching speeds of up to 76 miles per hour. And that's not all, because Iron Quasi will give you 12 different airtime moments. And if you want to know what an airtime moment is, it just points along the way. You feel like you're coming up out of the seat. And on the left side of the train is the Stanley Falls Flume Ride. This attraction officially retired on September 7th of this year after 53 years of service. So it's going to be removed to make something brand new for 2026. And on the right side of the train is the most colorful section here at Busch Gardens, known as Pantopia. This is where you'll find a 330-foot tall drop tower known as Falcon Fury, Dragonfire Grill, the Carousel, Phoenix Rising, games, shops, and even Rita's Italian Ice. And on the left side of the train on top of that hill, I know you can't see a lot here, but that is Congo and Jungada. This is where you'll find Blue Banger bumper cars, Kuba, the Congo River Rapids, the Bengal Tigers, the Orangutan, Chick-fil-A is open today along with Wild Oasis, home to the Capybaras, the Giant Anteaters, the Squirrel Monkeys, the Conyers, the Splash Pad, and a whole lot more. And on the left side of the train is Rumba. Rumba stands for roar in the African dialect, and this coaster will take you on a roaring adventure. Starting you out at 143 feet in the air, reaching speeds of up to 60 miles per hour, and you'll get flipped upside down 7 times. And on the right-hand side of the train, that blue coaster is Phoenix Rising, a family-friendly suspended coaster that has a unique soundtrack, an 80-foot tall first drop reaching speeds of up to 44 miles per hour, but there are no inversions, making it the perfect family-friendly coaster. We're now entering the 65-acre Serengeti Belt. So please remain seated, keep your head, arms, legs, hands, and feet inside the train at all times. You're more than welcome to take pictures, but remain seated, keeping your cell phone and camera inside of the train. Now on the right side of the train, that extremely tall purple and green structure is the Serengeti Flyer, one of the tallest extreme swinging swing ride ever to be built. It will actually swing you back and forth till you reach a maximum height of 135 feet in the air and speeds of up to 68 miles per hour. And in case you weren't aware, Busch Gardens Tampa Bay is actually home to over 300 different species of animals, of which 60 are considered to be endangered. But we do have what we call a species survival plan. That's a worldwide effort to make sure these animals never become fully extinct. And so just so you know, within the past 3 years out here in the veldt, we've had the birth of 2 baby giraffes as well as 2 baby white rhinos. Now, if you look carefully on the left side of the train, way off in the distance, that animal that's extremely tall with the brown spots is a reticulated giraffe, referred to as being reticulated because those spots don't form any particular patterns. And the white animals you saw with the curly horns are the Adak antelope, the most endangered land mammals on the face of the earth, with less than 100 known to be living in the wild. And as we go around this next curve, though, on the left-hand side of the train, anywhere between here and Nairobi, you'll see a rust-colored animal with tan stripes, or a dark gray animal with horns. These are known as Nyala antelope. Now, this particular species of antelope is unique because the male and female look totally different from each other. Those rust-colored ones you see with the tan stripes are all females. Where the male is dark gray, he has horns, and he's almost twice their size. Now, as we continue forward on the right side of the train, you might get a glimpse of the second largest land mammal, and that is the Asian elephant. These elephants can weigh somewhere around 6 tons. But they're still smaller than the largest land mammal, and that is the African elephant. And if you're interested in a safari truck tour that will take you out into the veldt where you have an up-close look at the animals and even stop to feed the giraffes, be sure to stop by the Animal Interaction and Tour booth located on the right-hand side of the train as we head into the station. It's that tan building with the gray stripes and those friendly people over there waving hello. So be sure to wave hello back. They'll be more than happy to arrange that tour or any other tour we have available here at Busch Gardens.
And there you are. That is Stanleyville to Nairobi Station.
We're now entering the Nairobi train station. So for your safety, please remain seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop. I'll let you guys know when it's safe for you to exit the train.
Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.
Serengeti Express, and hope you continue having fun here at Busch Gardens. Yeah, your next station stop though will be Congo. Almost there, not yet, not yet. All right.